If you're a fashionista and you happen to be in Paris, you should definitely consider visiting Galerie Dior. It is a museum dedicated to the brand Dior. And you should definitely buy your tickets in advance because it's very, very popular going there. The tickets are 12 euros and the website is in English. So please do that. And then you can experience different rooms, a look behind the scenes. And every room is themed with a different mood or vibe, and it follows fashion throughout many, many decades. It's very interesting. We had a lot of fun picking out our dream outfits, and there are also original outfits worn by celebrities such as Jennifer Lawrence, and we love the Versailles room. This was so pretty. You can also see the perfumes and some shoes and some accessory. It is really incredible. You should definitely consider getting into the history that is the House of Dior. Enjoy!